So it looks like on inspection, this connector here has to fit tightly against the sensor. And this one isn't completely tight, but it looks a lot better than the other ones. Here's the next one. As you can see, it's kind of closer at the top than it is at the bottom. This one's the same thing, it's kind of further even than the other one for the sensor. And this animal here, it don't look too good. So the best thing to do is to take these off and clean them up. There's also a procedure that involves shorting out the wire that connects to the harness, I guess, that controls all of this. And if all else fails, that's what we're going to do. But I think the first thing to do is clean this up.